Welcome back to another video with the Men with the Eyes of Blue. Today we're opening a Dragons of Legend complete series pack for Yu-Gi-Oh! I've got two of these with two packs in each, and you also get one of the dice. Also, we'll get one of these 7 limited edition ones. So, without further ado, let's start. Let's get both of these open. Alright, so first promo card was Wizard of Tomorrow, this last time Wizard Fusion. Once per turn, while you control this fusion summon card, you can toss a toy and call it, destroy as many monsters on the field as possible. If you do, inflict damage equal to half the total attack of your opponent's destroyed monsters. If you do inflict damage equal to half the total original attack of the destroyed monsters, if you call right, your opponent takes the damage. If you call it wrong, you take the damage. And then with the first one, we've got the Fang of Critias dice. And then with the second one, we have an Xyz import. Target one Xyz monster you control, one monster your opponent controls it with attack less or equal to it. Attach that opponent's monster to that monster you control as material. Helpful for getting extra Xyz material. And then we've got the Eye of Timaeus dice. Alright, let's start with the 4 packs. So 18 cards in each pack. Alright, so we've got Rock Sunshine, Train Connection, Flash Fusion, Tyrant Ring, Black Wings Steam the Cloak, number C73, Abyss Super Splash, Rising Sun Splash, an upside down purple Legendary Knight Hermos, Shadow Tune in blue, Fang of Critias in normal, Acrium Stage, Scrum Force, the Suppression Thuto, Toon Rollback, Night Express Knight, Cypher Wing, Snowplow Castle Russell, Black Cat Crosby. There's a tongue twister there. Alright, second pack, we've got Goddess Bow, Magic Hand, Red Eyes Burn, Peg Psychoroid, Celestial Sword Iatos, Battle Fusion, bow-handed card for fusion cards, Red Eyes Spirit, Guardian Treasure, green Mimicat, a purple Eye of Timaeus, and a normal Seal of Orichalcos. We've got Flower Guardian Zebra Grass with Moon, the Blazing Mars, Acrium Set, Red Nova, Ocreactus Guppy, Flower Guardian Pine, and number 78, Number Archive. Not bad so far. I've got the seal, and we've got got 2 of the legendary dragons. Alright, so Wire Tap even, Red Eye Spirit, number 73, Abyss Splash, number C106, Giant Red Hand, Express Train Trolley Ollie, Red Eyes Black Dragon Sword, Train Connection, Dark Dragon Ritual, Dark Magician Girl, the Dragon Knight, that's in purple, Claw Homos in blue, and then Amulet Dragon in normal. Prediction Princess Arosov, Cyber Petit Angel, Machine Angel Ritual, the Grand Jupiter, Cyber Angel Benton, Snow Hustle Russell, and Special Schedule. Then for our final pack, got C73 Abyss Superpower Splash, Roulette Spider, Goddess Bow, Toon Ancient Gear Golem, Realized Burn, Lion-Hearted Locomotive, Special Store Dietos, Black Sonic in, is that green? Aqua, Doom Virus Dragon in blue, and Kirby Bandit in normal. Flower Guardian Pine with Crane, Arigatos Chartreuse, number 98, and Utopian, Protection Princess Cornuria, Rage Rapper Blade Burner Falcon, Performer Pal Uni, Ritual Sanctuary, and Night Express Knight. So not bad in terms of our pulls. We've pulled each of the legendary dragons, which is very good. Pulled a couple of fusions for our legendary dragons as well. Just sort these out. We got our 3 dragons, 3 fusion for them. We also pulled, obviously, Legendary Hermos, and Kirby Bandit. Toon cards, Shadow Toon and Mimicat. Black Sonic for Blackwing, and then the Seal of Orichalcos. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. I'm Lightning from the Men with the Eyes of Blue, and I hope to see you in the next one.